Hi, welcome to Wine Mastery. We are about to taste a wine that's been recommended by a wine merchant. So this one was recommended by Jodie from Majestic in Huddersfield. Said I was looking for something a little bit different, something interesting, and so she suggested this one. Let's have a look at the label. Okay. It's called the Solomonar Reserve. I think that's how you pronounce it.
We'll go with that.
We'll go with that. It's Romanian, and so excuse me looking to my left there. So it's a blend of Cabernet, Merlot, and the indigenous, which means it comes from the local place, Fetiscasa.
You know what, Johnny?
Nigra grape.
Yeah.
Now, we have had this before. I think about a couple of 300 and 400 episodes ago, we had a wine from Romania with that grape in it.
Okay.
And we were very impressed.
Right, okay.
So, let's see if we were impressed with this one.
Go for it, John.
Okay, well, before we do that, let's just roll the titles. So let's kick off with having a look at the colour. Why not?
Oh, let's do that, John.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Are you going to put your glasses on again?
I have to do it every time now, Johnny.
I
know,
This
looks nice,
it does.
Doesn't it?
Can I see just a hint of purple in that?
You can, yes you can. And then for me it's that ruby colour. I'm going to say it as much as it's almost like blood. Like the depth,
but it's
richness.
It's not arterial blood, it's venal blood. Venal? Blood from the vein. In other words, it's full of the dirty stuff. It's not the bright red.
I'll go with what, yeah. But it looks good. It looks inviting.
Yeah. Looks like it's got fuller body. It looks like it's got a punch.
Yeah, let's go for it, John.
Okay, so I don't know. Sniff.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Yes.
That was...
I'm getting sort of I'm not sure, oaky, woody, burnty.
I was going to say smokiness, and I think that you're right with that oaky, woody. That is a lovely kind of, that is for me. If people say, what does red wine smell like, or something that I'd like, I'd say, that is it. Oh. That's got that for me is all kind of delicious. It's making my mouth water, that kind of. Sometimes it does that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a deliciousness about it. I hope this tastes as good as it smells.
I'm very difficult to get any fruit out of it though.
I'm getting fruit, but I can't tell you which fruit it is. And I think that's the Cabernet Sauvignon, as I've said many times. Cabernet Sauvignon has got that jamminess about it, and that's exactly what I am getting from that. That there's there's not sweetness, but it's something that putting it all together and putting it as one, and you get it all. It's hard to tell what's what there, but that's fine. That's fine because you don't have to. You don't have to.
If I was pushed, I'd plump for plump. No, I wouldn't plump at all. Blackcurrant. I'd go for blackcurrant.
A blackcurrant.
If I was pushed.
See, I'm still stuck on your more woody, ashy.
Yeah, that's the overriding.
Smoky,
yeah.
Struggling to get through, but I'm going to have a taste, John.
So am I. There's spiciness to it, isn't there?
There is a spiciness to it. It's again, what is it? But I love that even the fruit, there's fruit in there. What is it? It's
yeah. And the other thing is that the tannins are sort of hanging in around the edge, and I keep thinking, they're going to come in and spoil it. They're going to. And they didn't. They just hung in there on the edge, just so balanced.
It's sitting on your tongue with all that fruit and juiciness, and my mouth is watering. With all that delicious, and I'm not. It is delicious. But like I just said, when you say that, when you notice where the tannins are, you're completely correct. They're just hanging around thinking, will I spoil this? I want to spoil. And you're right. They're just kind of there saying, you can have that. You have it. It's all good. Yeah, because that in turn doesn't bring into that dryness. So for me, this would be a kind of red wine, which I said from the smell. With people who don't like red wine, I honestly think that would be something they could start on because it's very fruit juicy.
It is, but I think it'd be just a little bit too full for someone that's moving from white.
You're right. There is a fullness there. The power of flavour is quite in there. It's not letting up. Our taste buds have been warmed up, so we're ready for that. But I suppose if you're right. If this was the first wine of the evening that you were tasting, it may be a bit too much. But I don't think it put anybody off. Because of again, that lack of tannins, or how they just hang around saying, no, I'm going to let you have this one today.
That's very interesting, isn't it? It's not for my it's spicy. That's spicy, so it's not sort of like a full soft red wine. It's a bit more Shiraz-y in that sense.
Definitely,
than Cabernet Sauvignon.
It's something you need to pay more attention to. It's not like you said. It's not an easy kind of drink. What's a drink? Because it is drinkable. It's not one of these where you're just like, it's an easy going, because it's not easy going. There's a far more complexity to it, but it's not complexity that you need to get involved in. It's something that is very friendly to for your palate. It's not something that you need to go and find that and that and that in. This is just something you say, oh, here you are, just have a bit of that. Yeah. Have a bit of that. You don't need to concentrate. Have a good evening.
And I think this is a wine that I prefer to have something to eat with. To accompany, to pair.
Yeah.
But I think this was one of those wines where actually, I wouldn't mind if someone gave me a glass of this around the friends and enjoy it, but I think I'd want something to nibble with it.
Yeah, I think you're right. This is a food wine, even though the tannins are that gentle. This is still a foodie wine. Oh, I'd put it like food put together with that. They'd only enhance each other. I think I'd be okay drinking that on its own, but again, that comes down to the one that one glass would be okay for me. I'd take my time over that. I wouldn't be rushing to get another lot in there. I'd be like, that's fine, but when you put it with food, then the two together. So, okay, John, what food?
Okay, let's go to pairing. Well, what's wrong with this is that I think I would like an American style all meat pizza.
Oh.
Sausage, pepperoni, chicken, maybe one or two, not too heavy on them, but a few peppers and some jalapenos. Maybe. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's not too many, not too spicy.
But it would take it on.
Yeah, but cut through the cheese.
That definitely has the power to take it on.
Yeah.
Like I say, the meatiness together. I'm not sure about jalapenos, but that's because I'm getting old.
Yeah.
It's only because I'm getting older, that one, it hurts me. But flavour-wise, yeah, it would take that, no problem. Cheese-wise, you're going to have something big, bold, massive.
We're talking cheese now.
Well, his name's Jason. I'm only kidding. No, so something like for me, it's going to have to be an aged Gruyere, aged Comté, or aged Beaufort. Or even something like a Cantal. I don't know why I named so many.
Yeah.
These just came to my mind. The texture, the flavours on there, I think together.
So Beaufort, how's...
Beaufort is like, and when I describe this, I know French people will not be happy with this, but I describe it as a French version of a cheddar.
Okay.
Just not quite as strong, a little bit sweeter.
You say not quite as good.
I never said that. There's a time and place for everything, isn't there? It's a mood thing. And Beaufort, I didn't say cheddar. I didn't say Beaufort. With that would work perfectly. And you're right. Romanian wines, they are very, very, very good. We used to sell them years and years ago. I don't know why we don't sell them anymore. And I remember selling them at $1.99. It was 30 years ago.
Oh, $1.99 was worth $1.99 then.
But Jody, very good recommendation. Thank you very, very much.
Yes, thanks very much, Jody. It was very good, very interesting in wine to try. Okay, well, I guess we should move on to the scoring now.
We should.
Okay.
Okay, scoring for me, 9. I don't think we even mentioned the price, which is not like John.
Oh my goodness!
I know.
Should we do that now?
Yeah.
It's £9.50 or £10. £9.50 by 6 or 5 plus others.
Still, in my opinion, that's still not a bad price. I know John gets a bit nervous about it. But for me, anything under £10 is great value. And this is great value. The flavour's good. It had a lot of what I would like, so okay.
I'm going to go with 80.
Oh, I went for 85.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. And maybe I got excited when I knew the price at the end, because all in all...
Maybe that's why I went down to 80.
For the £10. All in all, a lovely wine, good price. But this, I won't say there's nothing that stands out about it, because that'd be wrong to say. Yeah. I'm going to live with 85. I think I'm all right.
And I think that maybe I was a little bit unfair, so maybe I should have gone towards you because it's not quite pleasing to my personal palate.
That's a big thing, and it's all about the. We've always said this, but it's always about the personal thing, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. Well, guys, you get to try this. Let us know what you think. Whether you agree with our scores, whether you agree with our pairings. Don't forget to give us the old thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and press the little ding dong so that you get notified as soon as we publish a video. And so until the next time, when we will be tasting yet more wine. Surprise, surprise. Chin chin.
Chin chin.